So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me how to actually have two devices while you're hearing music on your MacBook. So let's go straight into it. So first of all, you need audio MIDI setup. And what do you need this? Well, if you go to Bluetooth and you go to Bluetooth settings, here you'll see that it tells you all the Bluetooth that there is, but you need to go to this app, which is audio MIDI setup. Here you will see that it says it is multiple actual exit nodes. So what you do is you click here and create multi-output device. This way what you will do is you will be able to hear music on both devices at the same time on your MacBook, okay, or watch a film together, and that's the way to do it. And then when you go to Bluetooth, here you'll see that in Bluetooth settings you can actually choose the different devices that you've got and choose it into multiple actual exit settings, okay. It's an output. If you go to sound, you'll see it that you can select here, select sound output or multiple devices, okay. So as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below. Me or anyone from the Learning MD team will answer as early as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching.